Tell me something, girl.
We're gathered here today to celebrate one of life's greatest moments. This is a special time of celebration of Jack and Hannah. Marriage is a supreme sharing, perhaps the greatest and most challenging adventure in the most intimate of human relationships. It's the joyful uniting of two individuals whose care and affection and understanding have flowered into a deep and abiding love.
Tell me something, boy. Aren't you tired trying to fill that void? Or do you need more? Ain't it hard keeping it so hardcore?
Hannah, when I met you, I won at life. You're stunning, you're hilarious, you're full of love. Every day spent with you is my favourite day.
Jack, I don't think I ever told you this, but you came into my life when I needed saving. And without you even knowing, you saved my life.
I've never been more certain of a decision than wanting to spend the rest of my life with you and Chicago.
You are one of a kind, Jack Gilbrand, and I'm so proud to take you as my husband, because our love story is my favourite one of all.
In the shadow, we're far from the shallow now.
My wife, my best friend, my soulmate, Mrs. Hannah Gillibrand.